15 on this side and y on the left side. So 5x minus y equals to 17. This is equation number 2. But what is 1? Y equals to x plus 3. Given earlier, denominator is greater than that of the numerator by 3. So now we have 1 and 2. So 1 is y equals to x plus 3. Therefore x minus y equals to minus 3. Right? So solve this. Solving 1 and 2, what we get? 2 minus 1 means this 2 minus 1. So what will you get? 4x equals to 17 plus 3, that is 20. Therefore 4x equals to 20, x equals to 5. Now got x equals to 5, you have got substituted in 1. This one also you can do it. Therefore 5 minus y equals to minus 3. Therefore y equals to y on the right side, 3 minus 3 on the left side. So it becomes 8. Therefore y equals to 8. Now we got it. We got everything. Hence the fraction is 5 upon 8. Practice it again yourself. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for those. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.